stop. Right now. Stop whatever you are doing. Sit down. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. I want you to ask yourself the question that haunts you at 3 a.m. Am I really living, or am I just existing? Everyone wants the dream, don't they? They want the travel, the freedom, the respect. They want the empire, the physique, the bank account that looks like a phone number. They want a life that feels electric. But look at your hands. Look at your day. What are you doing right now to earn it? Are you scrolling? Are you watching another random video? Are you sedating your mind? Still sleeping in? Still afraid to fail? Still hoping some magic lottery ticket is going to fall from the sky? Listen to me. This isn't a video game. You don't respawn. You don't get a second chance. This is it. This is the only round you get in the ring. I'm not here to pump you up with sugar-coated lies. I am here to hold up a mirror. I want you to look at the reflection and see the truth you've been hiding from. Lesson 1. Time is killing you. You think you're killing time? No, time is hunting you. Every time you say, "I'll do it tomorrow," you are murdering your potential. Every hour you waste on social media is an hour you steal from your future self. You are bleeding out, second by second. Your parents are getting older. Your energy is fading. The window of opportunity is closing. You keep waiting for someday. Let me tell you a secret about someday. It never comes. The world doesn't care about your excuses. The market doesn't care about your feelings. Results are the only currency that matters. Stop looking around for someone to blame. It's not the economy. It's not your boss. It's not your childhood. It is you. Look at the titans of industry. Look at the people you admire. Most of them started with nothing. No money, no connections, no safety net. But they had the one thing you are lacking: hunger. A fire in the belly that said, "I will die before I stay average." Your comfort zone is a tomb. It feels warm, it feels safe, but nothing grows there. You want to build a legacy? Then you have to get comfortable being uncomfortable. You have to embrace the cold, embrace the rejection, embrace the failure. If people aren't laughing at your goals are too small. Let them laugh. You keep grinding. Let them sleep. You keep working. Because when you are standing at the top of the mountain, their laughter won't reach you. "I'll do it later," the biggest lie ever told. Later is the language of the loser. Later is the code word for never. You want to start the business? Start it now. You want to get in shape? Drop and do the push-ups now. You want to master your craft? Pick up the book now. Overthinking is the enemy of execution. You plan, you analyze, you worry, and you stay stuck in the mud. Paralysis by analysis. Kill it. Shut off your brain and let your discipline take the wheel. An imperfect action taken today is infinitely better than a perfect plan for next week. There are two wolves inside you. One wants to sleep, scroll, and hide. The other is hungry, savage, and obsessed. Which one wins? The one you feed. Starve your distractions. Feed your focus. Here is the pill that is hard to swallow. Nobody cares. Nobody is coming to save you. No white knight, no lottery win. Your friends act like they care, but they are fighting their own demons. The world owes you nothing. And that is your superpower. Because if nobody cares, you have nothing to lose. You are free to fail. You are free to look stupid. You are free to rise. Pick yourself. Don't wait to be chosen. Choose yourself. Approve yourself. Validate yourself. J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times. Did she wait for permission? No. She picked up the pen and wrote history. Maybe you are in a dark place right now. Maybe you're broke. Maybe you're broken. Maybe you feel like you've hit the wall. Good. Good. Rock bottom is the solid foundation where you build your empire. You are not buried. You are planted. You are a storm waiting to break. You are not here to be a spectator. You are here to be a gladiator. Stop acting like you have forever. The clock is ticking. Wipe your tears, clench your fists, and stand up. Create a new version of yourself, a version that doesn't accept no, a version that doesn't know how to quit. Life doesn't owe you a damn thing, but you can take everything you deserve if you are willing to pay the price. So, are you going to sleep or are you going to hunt? The choice is yours. Start now.